class. I am teacher Freya Geronimo, your TLE teacher. Today, we're going to discuss the dressmaking TLE 8 Week 4. For this activity, use the table on the right side and estimate the materials and the cost needed for the activity. You will make a face mask of the following given prices. You make use of 1/4 yard cloth that costs 55 pesos, 1 piece of needle, 7 pesos, 1 spool of threads, 5, and 1 scissors, 15 pesos. Estimate the material and cost. So how much will you spend? The correct answer is 82 pesos. These are the definition of terms. First, concept are defined as abstract ideas. 2. Judicious, having showing or done with good judgment or sense. 3. Contrast, the action of calling attention to notable differences. Pleasing, satisfying or appealing. And monotony, a lack of change that makes something boring, a monotonous quality. Had you tried to quick tour the Mount Pinatubo Museum in Angeles City? Had you visited Miracle Art at Marty Mall? How about watching Giant Lantern Festival at Pampanga? What do you see in the artwork? Describe each of the things seen in the artwork. What do you think does Vincent van Gogh wants to imply in his work? Is the Starry Night appropriate to the image? Why? Is this piece of artwork worthy of appreciation? Why or why not? How will you characterize Vincent van Gogh as an artist? Which among of the principles of design were used by the artist? Did he use unity and variety, repetition and rhythm, balance, scale, and proportion or emphasis? Very good. Another activity. Identify the following principles in design, whether it is balance, emphasis, harmony, and rhythm. Very good. The first one is the balance, emphasis, harmony, and the rhythm. These are the principles of design. Are the concepts used to organize and arrange the structural elements of design. Balance. According to this principle, the visual weight of the design need to have a balance. It can be size, shape, or even contrast. We have asymmetrically or informal balance, symmetrically, formal balance, and proportion. For the activity, with the examples of design shown on the screen, I want you to differentiate the balance asymmetrically, asymmetrically, and proportion. Very good. The correct answer is symmetrically or the formal balance. It can describe as having equal weight on equal sides of centrally placed like seesaw. Activity number 2. With examples of the design shown on the screen, I want you to differentiate the balance asymmetrically, asymmetrically, and proportion. Very good. The correct answer is asymmetrically or informal balance. It is when the structure, decoration, and accessories are indifferent both sides. In this design, attraction in both sides are created by using different accessories. Activity number 3. With example of design shown on the screen, I want you to differentiate the balance asymmetrically, asymmetrically, and proportion. Very good. This is the proportion. It is a pleasing relationship of all parts of objective with one another. This issue is the relationship between objects as part of a whole. Emphasis. refers by showing one pleasing part of the design that is more than interesting than any other. Rhythm. Rhythm are this movement repeated again and again. Rhythm is an important principle of design. It is created by repeated use of the design. Repetition, gradation, and radiation. Repetition. The principle of repetition simply means the reusing of same or similar elements throughout your design. Radiation. Radiation creates the feeling of movement in different direction. Gradation. Gradation can be created by gradual change of lines, shape, or shade of the color. This implies a gradual increase or decrease of a similar design element's colors can go from light to dark or dark to light. Lines may be ranged from thick to thin, and shapes may be ranged from small to large. Harmony. It means a relationship of different portions of a design. It should be achieved through judicious use of color, shape, and texture to give a feeling of oneness. Let us self-check. Identify the four principles of design is being seen. Is it balance, emphasis, rhythm, and harmony? Copy this design in a bond paper and integrate the principles of harmony to given picture below. These are the rubrics for the performance. Criteria: use of tools, equipment, and materials 30%, application of procedures 30%, safety work habits 25%, and speed time 15%. For your evaluation, write your answer on the answer sheet. A pants with pocket on both sides with the same size and shape. Number 2, a large hat on a small boy is out of proportion size. Number 3, it may be a pretty color, an attractive bow, or lovely pin. Number 4, a kind of rhythm can be created by gradual change of lines, shape, and shade of color. Last, number 5, it is the relationship of different portions of a dress. Answer number 1, symmetrically balanced. Number 2, asymmetrical balance. Number 3 answer, emphasis. 4, gradation. Number 5, principles of design.